So we've learned about 4 different types of goods in microeconomics class. The first one is a private good, which is arrival and excludable. The second one is a common resource, which is arrival and non-excludable. The third one is an artificially scarce good, which is non-rival and excludable. The fourth one is a public good, which is non-rival and non-excludable. So we will be learning about common resources today. A common resource, to recap, is rival and non-excludable. Definition of a rival product is a unit that someone is using that somebody else cannot use at the same time. The definition of a non-excludable product is a product one cannot exclude another from using. An example of a common resource is fishing. Overfishing has been a giant problem that affects most of the world. Overfishing negatively affects the environment while also affecting the quantity of a type of food that many rely on. Many people's jobs also rely on the fishing industry as well. Therefore, we must prevent overfishing. World leaders have agreed to do this by preventing people from fishing at about at least 10% of coastal and marine areas, and by effectively regulating illegal, unreported, and unregulated fishing, as well as overfishing. These are a couple of ways that we are starting to conserve the ocean's resources. Fishing cannot maintain being a common resource if overfishing keeps persisting. In fact, in the long run, it might even not exist as a resource anymore because of overfishing and how it's increased drastically within the past few decades. This is just one of the many common resources that has been listed in class.